Hello friends, hope doing good. I'm come back after a long time. Today I'll show you how you can disable comments on your WordPress website. So let's start. So if you want to disable comment, then you should go to WordPress dashboard. Before I show you how looks my comment box right now, all right. So I just add test content. Just publish and be a search. Yeah, here is showing the comment box. All right. So now I will just disable the comments. So if you want to disable, then you should go to settings, then discussion. Then you should just check out the allow people submit the comment on the new post. All right. Okay. I just save it. Now I'll just make again more new post. Hello test content. All right. Now view post again. Here in no comment box. All right. So that's it. It's pretty easy. And let me know if you face any problem. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.